Day 6 of workout, keep sweating.
3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. Start at a slow speed, then gradually increase the pace. Nice going. Keep it up. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 22. Arm scissors. 11. Each side. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 22. Arm scissors. 11. Each side. Please always keep your arms at shoulder height. Take a rest. Next. 6. Triceps kickbacks. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 6. Triceps kickbacks. Exhale when extending your arms, and inhale when bringing them back. Take a rest. Next. 8. Wall push-ups. Please stand in front of a wall. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 8. Wall push-ups. Inhale when bending your arms, and exhale when stretching them out. Take a rest. Next. 12. Floor slides. Please do this on a mat. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 12. Floor slides. Please try to keep your elbows and wrists always on the floor. Take a rest. Next. 30 seconds. Side lying floor stretch left. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 30 seconds. Side lying floor stretch left. Breathe naturally. Half the time. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 30 seconds. Side lying floor stretch right. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 30 seconds. Side lying floor stretch right. You should feel a gentle stretch on the right side of your waist. Half the time. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 12. Arm raises. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 12. Arm raises. We highly recommend this great arm and shoulder exercise to you. Take a rest. Next. 15 seconds. Punches. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 15 seconds. Punches. Breathe regularly. Half the time. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 6. Triceps kickbacks. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 6. Triceps kickbacks. Please squeeze your triceps when kicking your arms back. Take a rest. Next. 6. Wall push-ups. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 6. Wall push-ups. This exercise primarily targets your chest and arms. Take a rest. Next. 8. Floor slides. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 8. Floor slides. Slide your arms up as high as possible without letting your lower back off the floor. Take a rest. Next. 30 seconds. Cat-cow pose. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 30 seconds. Cat-cow pose. Please make sure your palms are directly under your shoulders. Half the time. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 20 seconds. Elbows back. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 20 seconds. Elbows back. It is a good stretching exercise for your shoulders and chest. Half the time. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 8. Clasp hands behind back. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 8. Clasp hands behind back. This exercise helps to relieve neck tension and pain. Take a rest. Next. 15 seconds. Elbows back. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 15 seconds. Elbows back. It is a good stretching exercise for your shoulders and chest. Half the time. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 6. Clasp hands behind back. 3, 2, 1. Do the exercise. 6. Clasp hands behind back. Breathe regularly. Done. Congratulations.